It's up, it's up. Fuck a game, nigga. One man on.
What's up with my YouTube family? It's your boy here, the Tahoe guy. You heard me? I know it's been a little minute since I dropped a video for y'all, but I got a little video for y'all today. You know what I'm saying? The road been rough. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get into what the video about today. Today, I'm gonna be installing these tweeters right here. They Diablo tweeters. Let's see what it says on the back. On the back it says high efficiency class D tweeter. It said it got a built-in crossover, and the frequency response, it says 5 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz with a 5 kilohertz internal crossover. It says it's 4 ohms. It's rated at 50 watts RMS 250 watt max. I'm gonna be putting these things on my CD player, my Kenwood deck. I'm not gonna put these on the amplifier because it's a possibility of these tweeters blowing on the amplifier. You know what I'm saying? They're not ready for no 1200 watt amplifier. Say 250 watts max. But I'm gonna be putting them in the truck, adding on to what I got going on. I'm finna show y'all where they're going. Stay with your boy. Stay tuned. They're gonna be going on the A pillars right here in the front. I did once upon a time had my tweeters on the door frame on the door panel part for the mirror, but I took them off. But these tweeters, they going on the A pillar. I got 2 sets. I got this set and then I got this set. I'm gonna put 2 on each side, add it on to the tweeters I already got in the front in my door panels already. So we're gonna get pretty loud, you know what I'm saying? Stay with your boy. I'm gonna show y'all the process of getting it done. I'm about to take these pillars off and see what's going on. Drill a couple of holes, mount these tweeters into it, and I'm gonna let y'all see the process. Stay with your boy. It's currently 8:30. Got done with them, putting them on the pillar. Drill a hole for the wire to stick through. Twisted both the tweeter wires together. This is for the driver side A pillar. I also got the passenger side A pillar done. So yeah, I'm about to get them all wired up, see how they sound. Get back at y'all. Stay with your boy. So I got them all installed, all put back together. This the passenger side right here. Then we got the driver's side over there. Don't mind my headliner. Eventually I'm gonna get it done. But once I tear it out, I'm gonna go ahead and dynamite my truck with the roof. Probably be in about a month or so, but I'm gonna get it together. Appreciate y'all staying tuned to the end of the video, you heard me? I got more videos and shit dropping about this Tahoe. Couple car show videos dropping too, so make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to your boy channel, the Tahoe guy. Peace.
Bing, 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 bing. AR-15. Come around that corner and show you something.